Yeah, man. Putting TEs on a Corvette. It's gonna be... Yo, today's the day. Super exciting. We're gonna get these MRR M755s off the car. We got something cool to put on it. Pretty stoked. Yeah, we brought the FJ over. We put the new wheels in the back of it. We had to go to discount because the place we scheduled with, they couldn't fit us in today. But yeah, so here we are. We're gonna get them thrown on. And now for the reveal. I've waited a while to do this, but we got ourselves a set of TEs. I thoroughly believe the world should be TE'd. I've never seen a vehicle that TE37s look bad on, but we have these beautiful blast bronze TEs that came in the mail. We went with 19 front and 20 rear. They are extremely lightweight, and that's pretty exciting. The MRRs that I had on were already pretty light, but these are even lighter. So the fronts weigh 22.5 and the rears weigh 24.1 pounds. Yo, so the guys at Discount Tire, they're always pretty cool. They had the hardest time with these tires because they're run flats and they have a short sidewall, so they're pretty tough to pull off, but they use their non-marring tools to protect my MRR wheels and then the TE37s once it was time to mount the tires on them. But yeah, for specs I went with 19 by 9.5 with a offset of 36. For the rears it's 20 by 11 with an offset of 39. So it should sit nice and fat, should sit nice and flush with that fender well. It's going to be great looking. I can't wait to put them on, lower it down, let the suspension settle for a second. And then, yeah, if you've never seen the fender well, this is what it looks like in here. I did a brief inspection of things since I put the Eibach lowering springs on, just to make sure everything was good. And everything looks nice and kosher. Oh my God, it's beautiful. God, 20 by 11, man. It still doesn't weigh very much. Yeah, and you definitely can't forget that Rays valve cap. They're kind of pricey, they're aluminum, they're nice, but the wheels actually came with aluminum valve stems, but I wanted to reuse the aftermarket aluminum valve stems. I already had the black ones, so I could keep my TPMS sensors on the car and I wouldn't have the little TPMS light on. I do like having the air pressure on the dash and the tire temperature, so I retain those.
I don't know, it still seems like a lot. Yeah, I mean, it's great.
I went ahead and did a alignment as well on the C8 just because I had lowered it with those iBox springs and I never actually got an alignment afterwards. The car never pulled left or right, it drove straight, it seemed fine. I wanted to make sure everything was squared up and good. The Hunter machine that we used actually had two alignment specs in it, one of which was a track setting. So I know GM will offer a track alignment if you take it to the dealership for an alignment, but in this case they had a 2022 specs in there, so this is a 2023, but they should be the same. The alignment, caster and camber bolts are all in the same spot. Make C8 how-to guides. I'm also modifying this amongst a couple other cars, so go ahead and hit like and subscribe, please.